She ain't got the recipe, no comparison. No, she don't, she don't, she don't. Oh,
I wanna be anywhere, any place that I can feel you. I just wanna be near you. And yes, I'm a mess, but I'm blessed to be stuck with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, Vibe with KayMarie. Today I'm going to be doing my fall inspired makeup look. Now some of you guys saw this on my Instagram, and I have been getting a lot of questions. About the look, and so I finally decided to film it. So I really hope you guys enjoy this look and find it actually relatively easy. Yeah, and before we get into this video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications. School has been kind of crazy, and my posting schedule has been kind of crazy too. So the only way you're gonna know if I post is if you obviously follow me on Instagram and stuff, but also if you turn on your post notifications, it's gonna let you know the moment I upload a video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm starting off with my eyebrows already done. If you want to see how I do them, it will be in the description box below, or you can check it out on my channel. But to start off the look, I'm just priming my eyes, and everything I use will also be in the description box below in the exact order that I use them. So to begin, I'm just using my Morphe palette in the shade Chestnut, and this is going to go all over my lids. Now I'm going to use this warm bronzy color, and I'm going to use it for majority of my eyelids, but leaving the inner corners alone. Now I'm using this champagne color to go in the inner corner of my eyes, and this is just going to give the whole look an ombre effect. Now I'm just going in with a black eyeshadow in the corner of my eyes, kind of to replace an eyeliner. I didn't want to use eyeliner because I really want the lashes to pop. Now I'm using my new favorite foundation. This is from NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and it also oxidizes, which I absolutely love. And of course, to blend all of that out, I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush. Now I'm just using a lighter concealer to conceal under my eyes, nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and chin. And to set all of that, I'm going in with my black Opal Deluxe finishing powder. Here I'm just using a black eyeshadow to line under my eyes, and using that same light champagne color for the inner of my eyes. Now onto the lips. I'm just using a dark lip pencil to line the outer lips. Literally any shade, any dark pencil will work. And also for my lip color, this was a lip mousse. It was matte. It's very matte. And this was from Absolute New York in the shade Tyrant. That you will probably not be able to find in stores, so I'll also provide the link for that as well. And now for my highlight. People think I'm kidding when I say I literally use anything that shines, shimmers, or sparkles. It really doesn't matter, and you just put some rose water on it and it makes it very vibrant. Alright guys, and that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it very helpful. And if you decide to recreate this look, of course tag me or use the hashtag vibe with KayMarie. And obviously guys, don't forget to comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, of course share it with your friends or whoever. I do have a lot of cool video ideas coming soon, some fall inspired looks, some college vlogging, a day in my life as a nursing student, and some special guests and collabs and stuff. So I do have a lot of video planned for you guys. It's just like school has been like crazy and hectic, so I've just been trying to balance it out. But guys, good stuff is coming. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Ain't gon' wrap it up like me. She ain't got the recipe. No comparison.